It is on record that these additional platforms have contributed immensely to the Air Force's successes and decimation of Boko Haram insurgents. You will all agree with me that the successes we have achieved so far have restored our pride and honor the world over. Consequently, I want to sincerely thank Nigerians for believing in our government in spite of occasional outrages coming together as a nation, irrespective of political, religious, and ethnic affiliations in our strive to bring this menace to an end. We are committed to taking the right steps in achieving the desired results. We shall ensure that every sector of our nation experiences the change that we have promised, to make the investment climate as friendly as possible for foreign investors, and we will strive to maintain this tempo. Your contributions have not only been a source of pride to us as a nation, but has also projected us as a reliable regional power. As you fly this aircraft, I wish you safe flying operations, safe skies, as well as equal number of takeoffs and landings.
With this induction, we expect to receive more heartwarming feedbacks from the various theaters of operation, and in no distant time, curtail the security menace bedeviling our dear nation.
The Nigerian Air Force, working closely with other security agencies, will not relent in our commitment and resolve to further disseminate defeat and deter those seeking to undermine our security, peace, prosperity, and national unity.